Rajdeep, first and foremost,
Yes.
the legislature of a state is supreme and it has power to enact any law so long as that law falls within the subject matter of the powers under the Constitution.
Are you saying that the Delhi legislature has the same powers of any other state assembly or the parliament of the country to bring in a bill without seeking the sanction of the lieutenant governor and the president?
The state legislature can still go ahead and pass the law, but it will be effective only after the president gives an assent. And if the president gives an assent to that, then despite the central law, the state law will prevail. That's the constitutional position, one. Two, a prior sanction of the lieutenant governor is absolutely not necessary. Frankly, the lieutenant governor had no business, with great respect to him, to seek any opinion of the Solicitor General, and I would say, with greatest respect to the Solicitor General, who is a personal friend, that he has overlooked the very simple provisions and the scheme of Article 254
so you're backing,
and 239
so you're backing what Kejriwal is saying. You're saying Kejriwal is right.
I am backing what? No. I am backing what Constitution says.
Okay, you're saying it's in the No, Mr. Bhattacharya, do you concur with what Dushyant Dave is saying at the moment?
Delhi legislature has absolute super plenary power under Article 239 capital A, subclause 3, subclause small a, to legislate not only in the state list but also in the concurrent list. Mr. Dushyant Dave is absolutely right.
You're saying effectively if corruption of a state police officer is perfectly justiciable by a state government.
Criminal law, it can legislate and it does not require any power. So therefore,
so it can bring in an independent Lokpal Bill of its own, even though there is a Lokpal Bill which has been passed by the parliament. Even before Mr. Kejriwal brings the Lokpal Bill in, the BJP and the Congress are already crying foul. We are already looking at technicalities. Surely, Mr. Patra, what is the politics involved here?
People are afraid.
You're saying they're afraid.
People are afraid.
Both Congress and BJP can have that law defeated on the floor of the assembly, but to use the lieutenant governor's office and the office of the Solicitor General to kill the stillborn child is really something which is very sad. You're suggesting they're
shooting off the shoulders of the lieutenant governor there. You also believe that, Mr.
Absolutely, and it is unconstitutional. So
the basic issue is that the state legislature can enact a law even in conflict with the law made by parliament. If it is reserved and president gives the assent, it shall prevail in the state.
Okay, so I think my two lawyers have been very clear.